Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and in today's video I'm going to help you solve the Coinbase account restricted problem. Okay, so first things first, so when you get this message, sorry, account temporarily disabled, error message within your account, usually it's due to a potential security issue. So you want to go ahead and review the account security or a recommendation. Just review the recommendation and take action to make your account more secure. So what you can do is you can assign it to your Coinbase account and then attempt the restricted action. So try to perform the restricted action again and then answer the on-screen question. So when prompted, you want to answer the questions on the screen and you want to complete any required actions such as verification or failed send attempts. And I'm going to tell you some of the reasons Coinbase may restrict accounts. For example, local regulations. So they may limit accounts depending on your current location to comply with local regulations, or maybe due to payment method. So your payment method may actually be unverified, mismatched, or limited to specific transactions, or if you have some device troubleshooting. For example, if you're using VPNs, ad blockers, or security software and browser extensions, these things can help. These things can actually prevent you from accessing your account. So you want to keep those in mind as well. But otherwise, just follow their instructions, and you should be good to go once the review process is done. Usually, this review takes up to 10 business days, so you have to be a little bit patient, and they will email you once you get your restriction lifted. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.